No, nobody owns Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, crypto. We got all of it in a tweet. Elon's got questions about Twitter now because he's got questions about his stock price because margin call Musk. That's how the math works.
Yeah, I mean, it's just turning into a complete fiasco, which I guess shouldn't be a surprise to anybody.
The stock price, Tesla, I said it would lose hundreds of billions of market cap. That happened too, by the way, right? And now he could get a margin call or wouldn't be able to do the deal with the said collateral of the stock price.
Yeah, well, I mean, now it looks like he's trying to sell SpaceX stock at a valuation of over 100 billion. So we'll see how it all plays out. But yeah, I mean, look, he's doubling down on the whole wanting proof that 5% or less of mDAUs are in fact not bot or spam accounts like the company disclosed in their filings. And then at a conference yesterday, I think it was at a conference, he said that, the deal could continue to go through, but at a lower price. Now, if you look at the proxy, Elon did waive business due diligence on April 21st after he secured financing. So if this mDAU issue is really such a concern, he probably should have thought about it sooner. One of his ways to improve Twitter that he said explicitly was to address the spam and bot accounts. So it's not like he hadn't thought about it.
For stock prices and coins, I mean, last year he was pitching Dogecoin at this time. I mean, 80 billion in cap. He perpetuated that. I mean, I think on a lot of levels he's full of shit, and I'm happy to say it. I'm actually quite happy if he doesn't own Twitter because he would regulate me maybe.
The issue here is that his assumption that more than 20% of users are being fake. It seems to me to be based on his analysis of accounts and followers, which is not equal to mDAUs. Excuse me, mDAUs. The reality is that they have 229 million mDAUs, but the number of infrequent users, monthly active users, or even less, and then registered accounts is much higher than that. So I think, it seems, and he should know that, right? So it's a little bit absurd that he's asking, and either shows a lack of understanding the business, or he really did get caught here playing his own game and is trying to find some reason to either back out of the deal, which he's contractually locked into, or trying to get the price down because he realized that he's probably overpaying in this environment and is not giving him much margin of safety for either himself or his co-investors.
My response to all of this is welcome to the party, pal, like from Die Hard, right? This has been going on for a very long time. He told you he was going to mine lithium with table salt like 2 years ago, that he had a car that would drive itself and make money for you while you're at work. And now he's got a robot coming to clean your house, right? You are so dumb if you believe that, right? Those are incredibly hard. Like making an electric car is incredibly hard for even a real OEM that works well with good range and good performance and doesn't catch fire and all that stuff. Like if you think that as a side project, he's going to build a humanoid robot that's going to do the dishes, like I can't help you. It's ridiculous. The whole thing is the dumbest thing.
Never in the history of CNBC have they said even half of what we just said over the course of less than 3 minutes. Never. Why? They need access. You need access to the Fed. You need access to Elon Musk. You need to stroke them, backslap them, believe. You're all part of it. However nefarious we have to be in our dealings and how unbelievably unjournalistic we have to be from an integrity perspective. I mean, this is part of the bubble in such a meaningful way. And the buy side getting drawn into it, forced to buy crypto, forced to buy Tesla. Brilliant people can be full of shit. Okay. That is okay to say that. If he's as smart as you think he is, then he either knows what Freebird said and is outright lying to you, or he's not as brilliant as you think he is because he hasn't done the fucking work.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.